Here are 3 yoga stretches to help with your lower back pain.
Glute bridge focuses on engaging your glute muscles, so it relieves the lower back tension and stress. Hold this for 10 seconds for 5 times. When your lower back is tight, a simple knees to chest will stretch your lower back muscles. Hold this for 10 seconds and do it as often as possible. A cat-cow pose gently massages your spine, especially after a long day of sitting or standing at work. Try doing this in front of the mirror so you can always check your form.